Alright guys, water don't look too hefty down there guys. Jamaican shore fishing here guys, welcome back to the channel. The water don't look too clear down there this morning, but we'll give it a shot anyways guys. David is already down there waiting on me. Trying to get a leader line out here and a high vis lure, because that's what we're working with this morning with that watercolor. This thing untangled first and get it up here on this head. There's a lot of seaweed from what I'm seeing coming in down there, so we're gonna most likely get a wicked fight today guys. So get a high vis lure on this thing real quick before we get down there, so we don't waste any time when we get down there. We just start casting once we get down there and not have to waste any time. This morning, this bag's getting kind of tight. David's already down there guys. They're down there. Jamaican shore fishing here guys, welcome back to the channel. Dig up yourself. Good morning. Dave's down here already. Welcome back guys. Got my new rod guys, look at this. Jamaican shore fishing finally came in the mail. David's down there, he looks like he's about to leave. Water don't look too bad this morning guys. Alright, good deal. Yeah, there goes David guys. David's about leaving. Alright, good deal. There's somebody out there weed fishing. Ooh, I just seen your fin. I just seen your fin. I just seen you right there just now. Boom, right there. Right there, I just seen you. I just see something come up in the water, look while, right there, so. Big old fin, look while. Big old something come up in the water, there, so look while. Right there, so. So yeah, the head out. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And they are Christian yesterday, you know. Yeah. Yesterday and the day before. They go out there on Friday. There you go. Mmm. Here, guys. So. Now go and walk down, David. Alright, when you later, there. Eh? Me no know. So we'll link up then, man. What time? Alright, call me. See? Call me. No, call me later, man. And then me make you know for sure. Yeah, guys. So. We're gonna walk the beach, guys. We don't pick up nothing down here. We're gonna shoot it and head down the line. But I'm just working this area. Where? You can get her. He did dead, you know. May I tell you saying dead, man. I see him come up, he's big, you know, man. Right, just right there, no? Eh? Fish on? Fish on. Pull over your line. Nah, I got you, I'm not catching. David got fish on, guys. David got fish on. This is what's up. He got hooked. Ah! He got hooked. Ah, man, I seen where he just popped off right there a while ago. The lure gone, you know? See lure there. See lure burnt up by water. Damn, guys, David lost that one, guys. Uh-huh. Fish on? Huh? Yeah? Oh shit. That quick, bro? There we got fish on, guys. Ooh. We got fish on. That's what's up. See that? David got him, guys. That's what's up. We're gonna pause up till he's done. He bring that bad boy in. There he go, right there, David. He's right there. He's right there. Bring him in. Woohoo! Yeah! Good catch. Look at that, guys. Woohoo! This is what you call lure fishing, guys. Striker. Look at this bad boy, people. Striker. That's what's up. Yeah, man. It looks like they're going after the jig head better than they are going after the crankbait today. Come on, David, just strike a while ago, guys. Either that or they're hitting on the white. I mean, they're here right now, David. Yeah. Hey guys, we got some action this morning. That's what's up. And they're down here running. I was gonna move a while ago, but I seen them spinning around, you know, guys.